Rarely in the world of watchmaking, there is a phenomenon that occurs which an affordable watch becomes an icon. And it's even rarer for a dress watch to achieve this status. But in this case, the Orient Bambino is an affordable dress watch that has become a great icon. But why did this watch become so famous and beloved with the people? For starters, Orient has been one of the brands that offer you the most value for your money. Their watches range around $200 and offer you a lot of quality. You have a wide range of models to choose from, and obviously they are Seiko's sister brand, so their name comes with quality. The Bambino, in general, is an elegant dress watch, which, as I mentioned before, makes it a bit unusual that it is so loved by a lot of people. Generally, people in their daily lives do not dress so elegant, which is why they do not need a watch like this. So why is it so popular? For starters, the Bambino is one of the dress watches that gives you the most value for your money. With a price of around $200, you can find countless color combinations and complications, such as a gray dial, white dial, blue, cream, gold case, steel case, blue hands, small seconds, different sizes and different types of straps. So even though it is an elegant dress watch, it is still quite versatile for everyday use. I even believe that with a strap change, for example a NATO strap or a Milanese mesh, the watch can work perfectly as an everyday watch. But what makes it very popular is that it looks extremely elegant and you do not have to spend a lot of money to add it to your collection. So you spend $200 and you already have your dress watch without having to spend a lot of money, and you're basically ready for any event. To be honest, $200 does not seem like an unreasonable price for a watch you will not use all that much. And the second reason why I believe this watch is so popular is because it has literally no competition. If you search for dress watches on Amazon, and please go ahead and look, you will find many Timex, you will find Bulova watches, you will find Casio, but none of these watches will be an automatic watch like the Bambino. I think the most popular thing about this watch is that it is affordable, automatic, and it looks damn good. Now, speaking of the design, it is a very simple yet elegant watch with acceptable finishing for its price point. And just as a cherry on top, we have an in-house movement. Now, Seiko and Orient are not known for their movements as much because they are not Swiss, even though they have in-house movements. But we will talk about that soon in another video. But let's jump in to analyze the watch in a deeper manner. First, we have different textures and finishing. The bezel is polished, the top of the lugs are polished, which obviously in a dress watch you need to have a polished finish. But on the sides of the case, we have a very acceptable brushed finish. It has a really good grain, it seems fine enough to feel high quality. Now, if you run your finger through the edges, you can feel that it is a little bit sharp. It's not a deal breaker, but you can feel a bit of sharpness. Now, let's focus on the dial. We have the Orient logo, which personally I don't like, but I will not get into trouble right now because a lot of people get mad when I say that. But in general, the dials have spectacular finishes, like this cream color that looks like enamel from a much more expensive watch, or the one that I'm holding, which has a satin finish with high quality pearly white color. Now, the applied markers and numbers reflect the light in a really good way that adds an elegant touch and that feeling of quality. Usually it comes with a crocodile-like strap, soft, easy to mold, and of course, very elegant. In general, I think people love this watch because it is a really high quality watch at a very reasonable price. I think that if you're looking for a dress watch, you will gladly spend $200 on a watch that is high quality, that is damn beautiful. It's a really good looking watch, and it will not be a problem if you don't wear it as much. You can save this watch for every event that you have, that maybe not that well, it's maybe not every day, but maybe once a month, 2 times, or once every 2 or 3 months. But every time you put on this watch, you will like it, and it's not that expensive that you will regret buying it. But tell me, what do you think?